spaghetti sauce. It's a pretty basic spaghetti sauce. And I'll show you from start to finish. And you don't have to use it just for spaghetti. You could use it for spaghetti. You can add turkey later. You could add ground beef. You can add Italian sausage. You could use it for pizza sauce. You could use it for canned peppers, sandwiches, anything you want. But I just wanted to show you the basics on how to make it. It's pretty simple. So let's get started. You're going to need a half an onion chopped, 3 cans of sauce, just regular tomato sauce. Ours are from Sam's Club. Some minced garlic, about 2 tablespoons. Salt and pepper, Parmesan cheese, sugar, whipping cream, and Italian seasoning. So an EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. So you're going to start by putting extra virgin olive oil in your pan, about a couple turns. And then while that's heating up, you can chop up your onion. And I already chopped up some of it, but I'll chop up the rest while that is heating up. And yes, I washed my hands. Everything is washed. Okay, and then once that oil is heated, and my dog's down here, her name's Mila, my husky, so if you hear her growling at me for moving. So you put your onions in the pan, the heated olive oil, and we'll get those sauteing. Okay, and if you have to add more oil, olive oil, you can. You just got to get those like caramelized and cooked up. I'm going to add a little bit more oil. So we got a big onion here. And we'll just let those cook up. Okay, so the onions are translucent now and cooked. So I'm going to add a little bit more oil. And you can add more oil when the onions are cooking too, just so they don't stick to the pan. And then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And you need the oil so that way the garlic don't burn. We'll probably turn it down a little bit because you do not want the garlic to burn. And just let it cook for a minute or so till it infuses in the oil. You don't want it to burn, so we'll turn the oven down a little bit. Alright, now you can add your sauce. And we're going to do 3 cans of whatever tomato sauce that you like. This is the Sam's Club brand. We usually do 2 cans, but we're doing a bigger batch. Alright. Just get that stirred up. From the bottom of the pan. And then you're going to add your Italian seasoning. And we're going to add some black pepper. And some salt. And a pinch of sugar. And you have to add sugar to tomato sauce to get rid of that tomato-y. Okay, and then we're going to stir that up, and then we're going to simmer it on low for about 30 minutes. And then I will show you guys after it's been simmered for about 30 minutes what the next steps are. Okay guys, we're back after it's simmered about 30 minutes with the lid on. I'll put that in the sink. And now we're going to finish it up. So you're going to get heavy whipping cream. And you're going to put about 2 turns of the pan. I just look at the color. You see what kind of color you like it. Kind of like a vodka sauce color. Like a almost lighter red, pinkish. Just stir it up until all the swirls are gone. And if you like more cream, add it. If you don't like cream, then don't. You can, you know, doctor it up however you like it. Alright. That looks about how we like it, that color. And then we have a 1/2 cup of Parmesan, about what we use. You can use less, you can use more, but I just kind of start out with some of it. Stir it in to kind of see what kind of texture you like. We'll add a little bit more. We'll just add the rest. Why not? Make sure everything is blended well. And then that's it. Just go ahead and simmer it a little bit more, and that is your simple sauce. And you can use that with pretty much anything. Freeze it. It freezes good. Pizza sauce.